High pressure continues to be the big weather story for the Concho Valley and the Big Country. And even though we saw a little bit of rain to the west and north of the city of Abilene, it's been dry for most of us across the area. That's the story on the San Angelo Sky Tracker looking westward, 79 degrees at San Angelo Mathis Airport. So it feels pleasant. It's just very dry and warm. And that's kind of been the story, honestly, for a while. Last time measurable rain was recorded at our two official observation sites across the area, San Angelo Mathis Airport and Abilene Regional Airport, was September 24th. So it has been quite a while since we've seen meaningful rain across the area. And I know we have a lot of farmers, a lot of folks who honestly just want rain, and you're probably wondering if and when that pattern's ever going to change. And I do think by the middle of next week at the latest is when we could start to see that change and potentially some rain this weekend. As of now, though, the chances look really, really low, so I left it out of the 7-day. Keeping an eye on it, though. No rain across the area right now. We'll be dry tonight, Tuesday as well, waking up with a little bit of some cloud cover. Mostly sunny skies, though, by Tuesday afternoon. Maybe some high thin clouds like we saw today. Wednesday, much of the same across the area. We'll have those high temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s. So not record-breaking temperatures. Folks in Snyder right now, 10 degrees cooler than Abilene and San Angelo, both at 79 right now versus 69 in Snyder. That's where they saw a little bit of rain today. And notice as well, north of I-20, you have that slightly brighter shade of yellow, and those winds out of the east, a little bit cooler temperatures. That's thanks to a very weak boundary, although it's going to be dissipated by this time tomorrow. 74 right now in Brownwood. As you head out to work and school tomorrow morning, it's going to be low temperatures in the low to mid 60s, maybe a couple upper 50s, especially in more rural locations. About 64 degrees, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and probably not the best day to go to the corn maze. It won't be ridiculously hot. It also won't feel super fall-like either for any of those fall plans. 86 degrees by about 6 p.m. tomorrow, and I'm officially forecasting a high of 88 for the next couple of days. Wednesday morning going to feel nice, though. We'll be waking up in the upper 50s with those southeast winds at about 5 miles an hour. 88 for that high temperature Friday, 89 for the high temperature Sunday. A slight dip in those high temperatures. We go down to 86 Sunday. That's thanks to that upper level disturbance. At this point, no rain in the forecast. Check out those low temperatures, though. We go from 61 Saturday in San Angelo, 67 Saturday morning in Abilene with a little bit warmer low temperatures, to waking up in the upper 50s Sunday morning in the Big Country. So that's going to feel great. You can find the full forecast on our website. Bert?
On Weather Impact.